I have this broken sprinkler head, and got this tool, EasyOut 2-in-1 sprinkler removal and replace. It says first step is to remove the head and pull the unit out like so, and then take this, the rod, and then insert it, and then the next step is to place the tool over and then turn it counterclockwise. It's like yeah, it's working. Wow, wasn't difficult at all. Yeah, the whole thing came out. I just need to find the right size. We'll be back. Now I have the new 2-inch pop-up sprinkler. Remove the top and place it over. Insert the tool and just spin it. When you complete this, the new sprinkler body is in. Just start to place the top, spin it on, and we're going to test and adjust. That's it. We're going to turn it on and test.